Hi, folks. Today I'm going to talk about the 10 presuppositions of NLP. Now, we spoke about what is NLP. It is Neuro Linguistic Programming. But what are the presuppositions of NLP? It is a specifically designed program or a model that is used to enhance the human mind. How the human mind operates. It's about behavioral science. It's about understanding the patterns, understanding the reasoning, and how the brain operates. Interesting, right? And it is not only at the mind level, it is also displayed then at a body level or at a physical level. So there could be disorders, there could be distortions in the mind, there could be presuppositions, there could be mental models that people keep in their mind as respect to certain individuals or certain circumstances or certain experiences. So we basically become aware of not only ourselves but also of others, of how they function as well. So one is basically we are making the assumptions like we are all in charge of our own minds and therefore our results. In NLP, nothing is like because of them I am like this. It's about taking accountability that I am like this. I came to know that my mind behaves like this, or my mind thinks this way, my brain functions this way, and therefore I'm getting these kind of results. Second is you always have the resources that you will need to perform or function better, which means you're never alone, you are not deprived, you have everything within you. It's just about how you tap into your own resources to and define your own success, define your own work style and your lifestyle, and then success will follow you, or whatever else that you are looking for will follow you. Third is the mind and the body form a linked system, which means the body and the mind are not separate, they are a part of the same system. There is a positive intention behind every individual's behavior. We discussed this in the last video as well. Always a behavior is trying to tell you a positive intent behind it, behind the scene, as to why you do what you do. Once you know why you're doing what you're doing, you always can widen the choice. Every behavior is useful in some way or the other. The fifth one is there is no such thing as failure, there is only feedback, which means if you have made several attempts in the past or in the previous kind of situations and you have not seen results, it's okay. Don't fret, don't feel disheartened, because learn from your mistakes and move on. Choice is better than no choice. Have been facing certain situations and certain results in the past. Do you have a choice? Obviously, of course, you have a choice. Are you aware of it though? If you're not aware, then you don't know. And if you knew what choices you could create, would it be better than having no options at all? Yes, that's what NLP operates on. If whatever you are doing isn't working, do something else. It means if something is not getting you results, do something else and see if that works. If someone can do it, anyone can learn it, which means if I can do it, anyone can do it. If anyone else can do it, so can I. There's always a way to do things. In fact, even more better, and improvise things. Always respect the other person's model of the world. Every individual has its own set of behavioral pattern, assumptions, belief systems, values. So everyone creates their own unique world around them. Do respect other people's worlds of experiences. That will come very handy. You cannot fail to communicate, which means you're always communicating to the world around you, to yourself and others, verbally, non-verbally. So it's important for you to understand how you're communicating in your personal life and in your professional life, and notice what you are communicating. What messages are you sending to the people around? Does this help you? I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.